Are you looking for a house that's in a great neighborhood and has a low maintenance yard? Well, this might be the house for you. This cute 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath has 1,086 square feet and it's located in the Ranch Park district of Santa Maria, California. Step inside with me as we take a look at the features this property at 507 South Lucas Drive in Santa Maria has to offer. You're greeted with a no maintenance front yard that has super cute curb appeal. As you enter, you have your living room to your right with the fireplace being the focal point of the room. And in the kitchen, you have upgraded granite countertops and a stainless steel range and lots of natural light. Off the kitchen, you also have a step-down, oversized one-car garage that hosts the laundry area and has access to the backyard. The bedrooms are good size and have ample closet space, and the main bathroom has a tile shower tub combo and a pedestal sink. The master bath is only half a bath but has room for a shower to be installed if so desired. Now, as you enter the backyard, you're welcome to a no maintenance yard, which has a fire pit area and a large entertainment center with a spa that's included. The yard also has a large dog run area for all your little fur babies to run around. This property is offered at $405,000, and in this super hot market, it won't last long. So call your favorite agent today for an appointment.